What is keyword research? Keyword research is a fundamental aspect of search engine optimization and online marketing. It involves the process of identifying and analyzing words and phrases or keywords that people use when searching for information, products, or services in search engines like Google. Here's why keyword research is essential and how it's typically done. First, understanding user intent. Keyword research helps you understand what your target audience is looking for. By identifying the keywords they use, you can gain insights into their needs and preferences. Second, SEO strategy. Keywords are the building blocks of your SEO strategy. They guide you in optimizing your website's content, meta tags, and structure to align with what users are searching for. This can improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Third, content creation. Keyword research is essential for content creation. It helps you come up with topics and ideas that are relevant to your audience. By using the right keywords, you can create content, answers their questions, and also provide value. Fourth, competitor analysis. Keyword research can reveal which keywords your competitors are targeting. This information can help you assess the competitive landscape and identify opportunities to stand out.